Hello, all my dear lovely students. My name is Ajay Gulati. Welcome to Sri Jain's Rank Zone classes. Students, I'm your friend and mentor for the mathematics portion, that is quantitative aptitude. And today we will be dealing in the third class of averages. Today we will be dealing in the chapter averages, and this is the third class. In the previous two classes, we have done sufficient number of questions along with basic concepts. Today also we will move ahead with that and we'll take some good questions. Okay. I will tell you the concepts along with the question only. Okay, let's start. See, the first question we have is this sort of question. I have done a few. Let's take one more. The average marks of 50 students in an examination was 65. It was later that found that the marks of one student had been wrongly entered 83 instead of 38. The correct average is, well, students, we have done it. I'm just, since I've shown it, I will just do it by shortcut as told to you in my previous classes. The 65, this is the wrong value. How to correct it? It was later found entered as 83, this wrong value, minus 38 divided by the number of values. So that will give me what? 65 minus 45 by 50. We have done this earlier, okay? That will give you 64.1. Let's move to the next one. Just a second. Yeah, I think just 1 second. I don't know how I took the wrong question. Okay, no problem. This is our question, and let's start with this. The average of 12 numbers is 9. If each number is multiplied by 2 and added to 3, the average of a new set of numbers is C. 12 numbers is 9. The average of 12 number of terms 12. What is the average? Average is 9. Each number is multiplied by 2 and added to 3. The new average of the new set is C. First of all, if we multiply all the terms of any series, then suppose by k, let's assume the previous average was A. Assuming a series had an average A bar. Okay. Now all the terms of any series by k, then the new average becomes A bar into k or k into A bar. One thing. Again, if we add any number, if we increase all the terms of a series, if we increase all the terms of any series, let's say by n, okay, by n, then the new average becomes A bar plus k, whatever the previous average plus k. Now, based upon this rule, initially the number of terms were 12 and the average is 9. First step, multiplied by 2. Therefore, what is the new average? Therefore, new average is equal to A bar into 2. That is, okay, let me write it, 9 into 2, 18. Second, addition of 3. Therefore, new average is equal to 18 plus 3. That will give me 21. Okay, this is the new average. Let's move ahead. I hope you have got this basic concept. Let's take further questions. Of the three numbers whose average is 22, the first is 3 by 8, the sum of other two. What is the first number? C. What is the first number? Three numbers. Let's say the three numbers are A plus B plus C. Of the three numbers whose average is 22, what is the average? This is the average. This is equal to 22. That way I can say A plus B plus C. See, what is average? Average is sum by n, sum divided by n, that is 66 way, this way. The first is 3 by 8 of the sum of the other two. What is the first number? Look, it is given to us A is equal to 3 by 8 of B plus C, or I can say B plus C is equal to 8A by 3. That way A plus 8A by 3 is equal to 66, or I can say 11A by 3 is equal to 66. This implies A is equal to 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Okay, dear students, let's move ahead. Done? Easy. The first number is 18. Let me take you to the next question. Similar one. Of the three numbers whose average is 26, the first is 2 by 11 times the sum of the two. The first number is C. We are given of the three numbers whose average is 26. The first is 2 by 11 times the sum of the other two. The first number is A plus B plus C. Given average is given, so that way A plus B plus C by 3 is equal to 26. That way A plus B plus C is equal to 3 into 26 or 78. This is done. The first is 2 by 11 times the sum of other two. That way I can say A is equal to 2 by 11 times. Now I can easily say B plus A is equal to 11 by 2A. This implies A plus 11 by 2A 78, or I can say 13 by 2A. A by 2 is equal to 6, or A is equal to 12. This is your answer. The first number is 12. I am sure it must be clear to all of you, dear students. Okay, let's move ahead. Before I do it, now a similar question, we will do it by directly shortcut. This is a bit different now. Of the five numbers whose average is 76, the first is 3 by 7 times the sum of other four. The first number is directly, students. What we will do, we know A plus B plus C plus D plus E. This is 76. My next step will be what? A plus. In place of this first number is 3 by 7 times the sum of other four. So I will write, instead of all these terms, I will write 7 by 3A is equal to 76. Okay, whose average is 76. I'm very sorry. So the sum is this. Now where do I reach? I reach 10A by 3 is equal to 76 into 76. I can write as 2 into 39. 10 cancel with this will give me a 38. So A comes out to be 38 into 3, that is A is equal to 114. Okay, dear students. Now let's take a few more, but we will wind them up very early at a very rapid pace. Okay, I will just write down the main solution. Let's take this question. Now this is a bit different. Just give me a second. Let me have a look at the previous one. Yes. Out of the five numbers, A plus B plus C plus D plus E, whose average is 78. So their sum will be like this. The first is 2 by 11 times. So the rest will be 11 by 2 times the first number, the all four. The first number is this. Okay. So this becomes 13A by 2, 78 into 5A. 13 and 78 cancel will give me a 6, then a 5, then a 2. A comes out to be 60. Done. Next question. Before I do, you can try it. Among three numbers, the first is twice the second and thrice the third. See, let's say A, B, C. Let's say A is actually twice the second and A is also thrice the third. Let's start with C then. Okay, these are A, B, C. Let's say if I need to take these numbers only in numerical parts, okay, that is complete integers, natural numbers like this. So let's say C is 2k. The first is twice the second and thrice the third. So we know A is equal to 3C. That way A will become 3 into 2k. A becomes 6k. Also A is equal to twice the second. A is equal to 2b. That way 6k is equal to 2b. B is equal to 3k. I don't know what is being asked. I'm just solving it. Okay. This is A 6k. B is actually 3k. C is 2k. Assume C is equal to 8. If the average of the three numbers is 396, then what is the difference between the first and the third number? We need to find the difference between first and the third number. We need first of all A minus C. This is being asked. Okay. The average of three numbers is 396. A plus B plus C by 3 is equal to 396. Okay. From here I can say A is what? 6k. B is what? 3k. C is what? 2k divided by 3 is equal to 396. This is 11k. 11k by 396 will be 36. Okay. 11 when cancel. I'm taking too much space, no problem. 11k by 3 is equal to 396. From here I can say k is equal to 36 into 3 or 108. This is k. Now we need A minus C, the difference between the first and the third number. That is 6k minus 2k or 4k. Therefore, A minus C is equal to 4 into 108. This is equal to 430. So this is your answer, all my dear students. Okay, let's move ahead. You can have a look at it if you want to. Let's take the next one. This we have done. Let's move ahead. Let's take next one. Yeah. Among the three numbers, the first is twice the second and thrice the third. This is exactly similar to the previous one. Let's say A, B, C, D. These are the three numbers. Okay. Assume C is equal to 2K. The first is twice the second and thrice the third. A will be 6K. Since A is twice the second, I can say B is equal to 3K. Okay. If the average of three numbers is 198, therefore the sum of three numbers is 198 into 3. This is the sum of three numbers. I hope I did not do any mistake in the previous one. Just give me a second, my dear students. 390. Okay, okay, not no mistake. Fine. So A is what? 6K, B is 3K, and C is 2K. 11K is equal to 198 into 3, or I can say 11 into 18 into 3. Therefore, K comes out to be 54. The difference between the first and the third number. A minus C is equal to 4K. That will be 4 into 54. That will give you 216. Okay, dear students. You can have a look if you want to. Now I move ahead. Let's take the next one. This is same. Let me leave it. This is also same. Let's move to the next exercise. We have now got a good grip over this concept. Yeah. The average weight of P, Q, and R is 45 kg. The average weight of P and Q is 36.5. That of Q and R be 52. Then what is the weight of Q? Since we have done these sort of questions earlier in the previous class, I will directly do them right now. The weight of Q will be, see, Q is involved in these two values here and here. It will be 2 into 36.5 plus 2 into 52 minus 3 into 45. That will give me 2 taken common. 36.5 when added to 52 will give you 88.5 minus 135. Or I can say double of 88 is 176. Double of half is 177 minus 135. Q comes out to be 42. Your first option is the answer. Let's take the next one. This is similar to the previous one. Let me change it. Yeah. Now we have a similar type of question, similar type but not the same. The average revenue for 11 consecutive years of a company is 69 lakhs. If the average of first 6 years is this and that of last 6 years is this, what is the revenue for the sixth year? See, students, in the first group the values were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the second group also the values were 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the last 6 values. So this sixth value is repeated. So how do you find the sixth value? The sixth value is found by, see, 6 years is 76, 6 years is 64. So first you will do 64 into 6, then you will do 76 into 6. When you take, suppose the average of this was 64, the average of this was 76, you add all these values. How do you add? This group is added like this group is added like this, but in this process this value is added twice. Okay, rest all the values are being added one times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All these values are added once, but the sixth value is added twice. So sixth value, how do you get? You add all this, you get sixth value twice, minus all the 11 values. What is the average of 11 values? 69. This is the process by which you get the average, the sixth value, middle value. Okay. So if you want, you can take a 6 common, you will get 64 plus 76. Better you take a 3 common. Okay. If you take a 3 common, you can get like this: 64 into 2 plus 76 into 2 minus 11. From here, you take a 3 common, you get 23. That way, this is 128 plus 152 minus 352. That will give me sixth value will be equal to 3 into 280 minus 253, or 3 into 27. That will give me 81 lakhs. Okay, dear students. Let's proceed further to the next question. Yeah, the average revenue of 13 consecutive years of a company is 70 lakhs. Okay, let's say A13 is 70 lakhs. 13 values average. Okay, A1 to 13. Okay, also you can say it like this: the average for 1 to 13 values. If the average for the first 7 is rupees 65 lakh, A1 to 7, this is 65, and that of the last 7 is 77. That is A7 to 13. These are the last 7 values. This is 77. So you have this A7 common. How will you get this A7? You will get this by, see, these are 6, these are 7 values, 1 to 7. 7 times A1 to 7 plus 7 times A7 to A13 minus 13 times 7 plus 7, 14. Out of 14, you remove 13th value, you get the middle value for 13th value. 13 times A1 to 13. Okay. So you get 7 into, first of all, 65 plus 7 into 77 minus 13 into 70. Can you take a 7 common? Yes. 65 plus 11 minus 130, 77. 60 plus 70, 130, 130 plus 12, 142. This is 84 lakhs. Okay, dear students. This is your answer. Fine. Let's move to the next one. This we have done. Let me skip it. This is similar to the previous one. I will just solve it. Okay, you know how to do it now. The average revenue of 7 consecutive years of a company is 71. So you will remove the 7 values. If the average of first 4 years is 66, 4 into 66, and that of the last 4 years is 4 into 78. First group, last 4 group, all the values. You do it like this. Okay. Now, what you will get? You will get the fourth value, A4. 4 into 66, 4 into 78, that will give me 66 plus 78 will be 134 minus 7 into 77. 4 into 4, 16, 1 carry 4 into 13, 52, 52 plus 1, 53 minus 497, that will give you A4. So it's my bad. It's actually 144. It will be 576. So that will give you 79 lakhs. Okay. I hope things are clear so far. Let's move to the next one. So, what is the next question now? Oh, I've done this last one. Now this also we will do at a quick pace. Okay, revenue of the average revenue for 11 years, 11 consecutive years of a company is 77. So what I'll be doing, I'll be doing 11 into 77 minus. If the average of first 6 years is 72, 6 years is 72. The sum of first 6 years is 72. That is the last. The sum of the last 6 years will be 6 into 84. This will give me the sixth term. Okay, so that will give me now 6 into 72 plus 84, 156 minus 11 into 77. Better way of solving this will be what? If I can take a 11 common, if I take a 11 common from this, what it will be? If I take 11 common, it will be 6 into, no, sorry, I can take a 7 common actually. This is, no, not even 7 can be common. So let's just simplify, let's just solve it, okay? So 72 and 84 precise na, yes, 72 and 84, no problem. 6 into 150 is 1 900, 900 plus 6 into 6 36, 936 minus 7 4 1 carry 847, 36 and 53 will give me 89. This will be the A6. Got it? Next one, okay. Let me check if you need to do the next one. Reason being, I have finished this exercise now. If this the coming okay, let's take one more question. The average weight of 100 students is 32 kg. Okay, average weight for 100 students is 32 kgs. The average weight of first 49 students is 30 kg and the last 50 students is 34 kg. What is the weight of the 15 students? Yes, students. This is a new type of question. How to do it? See, these are, let's say, 100 students. Okay, their average being, these are 100 students and their average being 32. Okay, now what is, let's say, this is from here we have 1 to 49. This is the 50th value. From here we have 51 to 100. Now look at the logic which I'm telling you. If this is 1 to 49, look students, the average weight of the first 49 students 30 kg. See, actually the average weight of all the 100 is 32, but the average weight of these students is how much less? This is 2 less. So for these 49 students, the average is 2 less. Okay, the entire weight will be provided by the student only. Let's say this is 32 kg. If he is 32 kg, rest all should be 32. But these are less than, these are 2 less than 32. So all these 49 two students will be provided by a weight with a weight of 49 into 2 plus 51 to 100 is 34 kg. These are 34 kg. So what I'll do for these 50 students, for these students, they have an extra weight of 2. Okay, so this will give you the answer. 49 into 2, 98 plus 32 minus 100, that will give me 30 kg. If this method is not clear to you, how will we do it? Look, first 100 people into average of 100 people. This is the sum. This sum is equal to what? First 49 people, first 49 people into their average. Their average is 30 plus 50th person plus next 50 people, their average being 34. This is the equation. Now nothing tough in solving this. 100 into 32. This is equal to 49 to 3, 1470 plus A50. This is what we require. 50 into 34. 34 into 5, 170. Okay, so that will give me, so 3200 is equal to 3170 plus A50, or I can say A50 is equal to 30. Fine, dear students. Let's move ahead. Let's take the next question. Okay, just give me a small second. Student, we have done the type wise question. We have finished some exercise. Now next exercise, the coming exercises, I am leaving for the next class. So from my side, bye bye for today. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, keep on practicing. Don't merely watch the videos. Please practice a lot. This is very imperative. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.